This is very tragic. What is the chances of a 12-year-old going on a joyride, killing a 14-year-old pedestrian? Both teenagers in situations. One is alive, other one is unfortunately here with us. And we have to really ask ourselves, how can we prevent situations like that? Look, at the end of the day, no matter how we think our kids are angels, it's best to rather hide the keys. It's honestly best. Whether you're going to work, whether you think you're just going around the corner, it's just best because you are protecting them. I bet you this 12-year-old boy didn't think that his joyride is going to end up first writing off the parental car, but worst thing is killing a 14-year-old person. So, message: hide the keys away from your kids. It is what it is.